everybody. In today's video I will show you one tattoo machine. Name is Tatvida, style is pen, and is something with different strokes. You can use it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different machines, 7 different styles in this pen. And for me, what I think is great, that is what is wireless with battery. The name is Tatvida. That is for me new brand what I see it on internet, and I try make a few tattoos with this machine, and for me it was comfortable and very nice to handle it. But I will say you later what's my opinion. First, what I want to say it, what is the difference from this machine from another machine. First one, this machine is not too expensive machine like what you can find it on internet from for old brands, and because of that I think it's very good machine for beginners and from middle beginners tattoo artists would have not too many money to buy something what is very expensive. Everybody knows what is the price from the machines, and you know what I mean. First one, that is what you get it in this box. You get it this one paper with everything, every specification from tattoo machine. You have 2 language, Deutsch and English, German and English. You have machine with 1 accu, and you have USB cable for if you need to charge it your tattoo machine. Name is Tatvida. Everything what you need to know about this machine I will say you now, but everything you can find it on internet address what is in description below. Sorry if I say something wrong, my English is not perfect. I'm a guy with living in Germany, and my main language is German. Okay, now what I want to show you. First, when we are starting with this, with stroke or hubs, I will show you what is for me was the really good. That is the grip. You hear it. You have a click system. Is not only screwing this one. Then battery. You do it something like this, and it's very good. Stick very good in your machine, in your motor. And this part is motor. If I try it with motor, is not too heavy. Battery same. Only I think what is the better to do it little harder grip or bigger grip. For my hand were better, but it's okay. It's good. Now I will put it back and say some specification for this machine. What is very nice in this machine, it's not too heavy. It's around 221 grams. It's full from aluminum. Stroke you have it from 2.4 to 4.5. I will say you later what is specification for this strokes, what I doing with these strokes and everything. Recharging time is around for battery from 2 to 3 hours, and everything depends how long you can do it with machine operating on which voltage you operate. This machine is from 4 to 12 volt, and if you're going around 12 volt but nobody doing that, I think it's around 4 or 5 hours working. If you are doing in smaller voltage, I will say what voltage I'm using for what, for which stroke. Then it's around 5 to 6 hours. Now, if you want to start it, long press. And you see, you have logo, you have voltage, what is the capacity of a battery, and how long you're working. If you want to start the machine, only push it, this power button. If you want to stop it, same. You heard sound from machine is not too loud, and I can say you vibration is not too hard. You must pay attention is working or not. If you want to voltage put it down, then you can do it something like that. If you want up, you can do it with plus button, something like that. Then going for half volt. If you want, you can do it something like that. Then it's going for 1 volt down or up. Same. If you want to make it stop, only push it. Now, what is for me, what I want to say about strokes, I can show you the best way to show you here. That is, I need needle. I think I have one. Yes, I have one here. That is needle, of course. I think that is round shader. Yes, something like a round shader. Now 4.5. You can use it on 7 volts. And now, yes, something like that. I will do it a little bit down. 6 volts. What is the stroke? Stroke is the difference from how long need for needle to going up and down, up and down. The best way. I will show you on the paper. That is the path what needle doing this direction. If the stroke is bigger, machine is slower. That I can say you. You don't need then to put it more voltage. You need only to make it little bit difference from the bigger speed. If it's bigger stroke, you need smaller speed. If it's smaller stroke, you need bigger speed. For what I'm using 4.5, 3.9 and 3.6, I'm using only for something like lining, or if I need to put it solid black and fill it and something like that. 3.5, 3 or 2.7 I'm using for color in my case, and for good solid colors, for smooth color blending or something like that. Or 2.7 and 2.4 I'm using only for soft shading. My technique, I don't do it too many soft shadings. I'm artist was doing only small black work and plenty of big colors and something like animals, cartoons and something like that. I need bold and good lines, and I need good packing colors. For this stuffs, this machine is the perfect. And of course, it's not too expensive machine. For if you are a beginner, I recommending to you to buy something like that. For the starting your tattoo career, you will not give too many money, and you will have machine for every style what you want to do. I think I said everything. Of course, if you want to charge it, charging port is there. You cannot work when it's charging, that not going, because battery have protection, and my opinion, that is the better. But with one battery you can do one good tattoo 100%. Everything else you can find it here. You see it, what is the specification, what's saying, and everything else. If you have some questions or something, go to my you can put it commenter down, or you can text me on my Insta, and I will give you every answer what you need to know. Now I will show you how I protecting this machine, and then I will show you how I doing small tattoo with this machine. Thank you everybody, and see you in next video. Bye.